But if you look at the third-party risk area, it's you're 43% more likely to reduce your risk when you're doing it with a collaborative, cross-functional approach before there's material impact of that risk. So it is something for that collaborative view. And then if you're actually looking in the third-party risk space, the biggest two levers that you have where there's correlation is one is being aware of the changing scope, right? And that requires a cross-functional, and then changing risk appetite, which again is a cross-functional in the third-party space where you're looking at, say, procurement, legal, your IT functions, your traditional privacy function, architecture as well. So when they all work together, there's clear reduction in risk and effort as well. So